How to transfer OKX Wallet to OKX Exchange now. So let's say you want to trade in our OKX Exchange. Over here, of course, the cryptocurrency that it's going to use should come from your wallet. So over here in your wallet, it will automatically utilize your wallet that you have for your funds in exchange over here. So when you're trading for it or anything here, it will get money from your wallet. So how do you get money into your wallet? You can easily get cryptocurrency inside of your wallet by clicking on receive over here and selecting the specific cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So for example, RP over here, simply get your address over here, give it to the person or give it to the wallet that you're getting that specific cryptocurrency from. After depositing or after getting crypto inside of your wallet, you will then be able to now utilize that crypto that you got when trading some different items over here. Clicking on trade over here, you could now select it on our sell over here, or we could buy it as well. Over here, as you can see, you could buy the specific amount and then you could select here the total that you have over here. So that's basically how you will be able to get or transfer OKX Wallet to OKX Exchange. You don't need to do any actual transferring, you just need to have some crypto inside of your wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.